Hi friends, this is Abdul with the pedagogy lesson. Today in this lesson we'll be talking about 5 areas of attention. Students having different learning styles, as you know that, and every student comes with a different style, and they have different learning abilities. So in this lesson we'll be talking about that how these 5 areas are different to each other. And sometimes we observe in the classroom that many students, okay, they can focus, they can shift, they can easily distract, and there is some students you will be finding to work on the multitask. So these abilities are built in, or we can say these are the natural abilities, and we born through. So here in the screen, you can find the 5 areas of the attention. The one is the focus attention, second one is the shifting attention, other one is the sustained attention, selective attention, and divided attention, or sometimes we call them multitasking. So we'll take the first is the focus attention. You can read here when your child's attention is focused on visual, pictures, or auditory hearing information. So it means that your child stayed focused on only one point, either it's on the image or either he or she is listening. So the child only can focus on the particular thing that he is on it and or listening. So another word we can say, okay, that these 5 areas of attention, like 5 senses of hearing, like a smell, taste, touch, hear, and listen. So in this focus attention, even if we'll go with another the aspects of that one, you can see that you are at a loud, crowded party looking for your friend. Fine, you look for a blue sequined dress and you concentrate on hearing her voices over the music. So your eyes are keep searching, your ears are keep uh, looking for the voice, okay. At the same time you are ignoring the music sound or uh, whatever is happening in the environment and surrounding, and you are keep finding, so your attention is focused to find your friend with certain physical characteristics and some auditory uh, characteristics in order to recognize. Okay, so this is a your brain is continuously working on it. Okay, I just give it to you the focus attention from the Google in order that you can easily understand. Second one is the shifting attention. Suppose you started reading book and at the same time you heard a music. Your brain diverted or shifted from one attention to another attention. Your first attention was a reading book and you shifted while you heard or listened the music. Okay. So when your child begins one task and stops to shift their focus on another task. It happens sometimes while we are sitting in a gathering or in the classroom, okay, and teacher is lecturing, someone of your friend start whispering and your focus has been diverted from lecture to listen what exactly whispered. So this is called the shifting attention. Another one we'll say the sustained attention. Sustained means that continuously or rigorously you focus the task you have started. If you are watching a movie, you are reading a book, you are listening a lecture, your focus is continuously stretched throughout the time period. If it is for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, okay, so your focus sustained or remained or stay focused on the time or which you have started until the end of that. If it is a movie, till the end of the movie. It's a lecture till the end of, or if it is a reading book, okay, that you have to finish it, okay, where exactly you want to stop, okay. So this is a continually stretch, okay, even if there is a surroundings or any other distractions, okay, in this sustained attention you all ignored. Number four, selective attention. It has a very relation, or you can say the opposite to the divided attention. When your child attends to one specific task while filtering out the other distractions around them. I'll give you a very simple example. Suppose you are driving a car and your phone started ringing. So you cannot focus on both or in multitask. So your focus will remain on the visualization of the driving, and you stop to attend the call and let them silent, or you stopped, okay, ringing, and or you disconnected, okay. So if you want to stop your car and you took a call, even it will be a selective attention. So what you selected, okay, and you have to filter during these multiple tasks, okay. Either you want to focus on to the driving or you want to receive a call. So this will be a selective attention. Similarly, or I'll say however, divided attention, that you can attend multiple tasks, okay. Again, for example, you are driving a car, at the same time you are listening music, at the same time you are attending call. So these this divided attention is the multiple task attention, when your child can multitask. Suppose listening lecture, at the same time he is solving an equation, or he is solving a drawing, or he is writing points, okay, or while he's watching a video, at the same time he or she keep writing the notes and following the teacher's instruction. So it means it is a multitasking, okay, when your child is focusing on a multiple task at the same time. So friends, these were the five areas of the attention. Focus on attention, shifting on attention, also called alternating attention, and sustained attention, selective attention, divided attention. I hope that you liked this lesson, and if you have any question or any input about the five areas of attention, please don't forget to comment. And if you didn't subscribe yet for these more videos, kindly subscribe the channel and give me your suggestion in order to improve. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, goodbye.